Dr. Mendes Jacob and his team, they are trying to integrate the emerging technology, especially AI, into the teaching learning process. And they have already conducted 4 or 5 training programs in association with the Kerala State Education Council in this field. So integrating technology, especially AI, with the outcome-based education will be a revolutionary step. In a sense, it's a path-breaking step as far as the teaching learning process in the state is concerned. This will definitely improve the quality of teaching learning, and report shows that the state of Kerala is ahead of other states, especially in the matter of organizing outcome-based education related training programs.